Hey everyone, it's Taylor and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you all my Michael Kors unboxing. There's a couple of pieces that I bought and I am just so in love with that I really want to share with you guys. So for some of you that are subscribed to my channel, I know you're thinking, isn't her channel based on video gaming? Yes it is, but this time I really wanted to try something different and do a nice little designer luxury haul for you all. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure you press that like and subscribe button and let's get into these cute designer pieces. Okay, so the first item I want to show you guys is the Michael Kors Cory logo combat boots. And look at these, y'all. These boots are just beautiful, beautiful. All right, I'm gonna put one down and we can observe this one right here. Look at the quality. Look at the leather. It's just beautiful, perfect. The quality is excellent. I love the design of the shoe. As you can see on this side, on the outer side, you have the MK emblem right there. And then, you know, the all MK print. And then you got the shoelaces. They lace up nice and tall. And then on the inside of the boot, the zipper. And I also want to show you guys this part right here. I got the Kors on there, right there, which is nice. And then, you know, zip it down. And there's the inside of the boot. Show you the inside. And that's it. I've been waiting for this boot forever. I remember when it first came out, sold out like hotcakes. I was like, oh dang, I really wanted me a pair. And you know, they were just flying off the shelves. And then I remember for Christmas, I was trying to get me a pair because I was going away to New York for a little bit and I wanted to wear these in the city. And they only had an 8.5. Mind you, I am a size 8.5. But I have read the comments and people have mentioned that you need to size up in these boots because they're really tight. So I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna buy an 8.5 and have my feet hurting, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, you know what? Hopefully he restocks in these boots again and I'll get a 9. And long and behold, he drops them again in a size 9. And I'm so happy. Oh, and also, there was a sale going on, so you know I can't pass up, you know, a good Michael Kors sale. So I was like, and you know, these babies are on sale. I gotta get them. And I got them and I'm just so happy that I did. So if you guys are interested in this boot, I'm telling you, like, you will not like be disappointed. This boot is hot. And I know that I bought these in the summertime, but trust me, once fall hit, you will be seeing me rocking these in my pictures, okay? These shoes are amazing and I'm just so happy that I finally got them. I've been eyeing them, like I said, ever since they dropped. Okay, you guys, so for my second purchase, and I had to scoop my chair back for this one, is the Bedford Travel Weekender bag. Look at this, you guys. Just beautiful. I love this bag. So originally I was gonna get the Michael Kors duffel bag. That was just, you know, all the print, not the stripe. But for some reason, Michael seems to not, I guess, carry that duffel bag anymore. So instead, I just bought this one with the stripe. And you know what? I'm really happy that I did because it adds a nice little touch to it. And this bag is in a extra large. So to start off, at the back, this is two things. One, it's a pocket. And secondly, you guys may know that Michael Kors also has those really cute suitcases, which I'm gonna get next time. So say if I had a suitcase and I wanted to put this on top of the suitcase, I open this part up, unzip this, and look, I put the suitcase lever or whatever through that and I'm on my way, I'm out. So, oh my gosh, like when the store associates showed me that, I was like, oh my gosh, like that is so freaking awesome. Like I'm gonna definitely buy the suitcase next time. So that's what I really like, you know, this little part comes in, you know, two ways, which is really nice and convenient. You have the pockets, more pockets on the side. You can never have too many pockets, okay? And then, so I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna show you guys how much space is in here. Look at that. Wow, you can fit a lot in here. You can, you really can. So, you know, a decent amount of stuff. You don't want to really overstuff this bag. And also I want to show you there's pockets right here. Like I said, you can never have too many pockets. Pockets over here, you know, you got your zipper one, more right here. And what is also a nice touch is this handle over here. So say you know, you don't really want to carry this anymore. You want to put it over your shoulder. There's our these hooks right here, and you know, boom boom, put them on, put it over your shoulder, and you're out. Like, this bag is really nice. I'm so happy I finally got me a duffel bag. I cannot wait to travel. You know, do not put your luggage next to mine, okay? Look at this. Like, my luggage needs its own like compartment, okay? I don't want no one else's luggage touching my duffel bag, okay? Stop playing. If you guys are interested in this bag, definitely get it. Like, I just love how this stripe, you know, just complements the bag. I'm very happy that I went with the stripe instead of the you know, the other one that was just all the brown instead. So there is this duffel bag. I'm telling you guys. Wait till I see my airport pictures, okay? So the last item I want to show you all is the Mercer Gallery shoulder bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this purse. My mom gave me this purse as a Christmas gift, and I just wanted to show you guys because this purse is amazing. And look at that. You don't see too many purses with this type of design, you know, and this is in the size medium. So you have this handle right here, and then you also got this one as well, you know, long. You want to cross it over you anyways. Like, this bag is hot. Oh my gosh. And as you guys can tell, you know, I really love this type of color. You know, I got brown everything, but the brown is cool. I'm not really a fan of the white all like that, but it's just something about this brown like I just love. So as you can see, these are the strings. I tighten the bag, but as I loosen it up, it opens, expands the purse up some more. This is the inside of the purse. You see, you got some space right there, and well, in both compartments. And then right here, trying to show y'all as much as I can in the inside. You got this right here, you know, more space if you want to put, well, y'all know what I'm talking about, that middle spot right there, okay? You can put more stuff in there, and they got like credit card holders and stuff like that, and you can close it shut if you want. And then also you got, let me try to show, right here, like more space. So that's it with this bag. I am in love. I have gotten so many compliments on this purse. I've been rocking this purse ever since. And it's just, you know, like I said, the design of this purse is nice. Like, come on. Ever since I seen it on this website, I was like, you know what, I gotta get it. Either I'm gonna get it or my mom gonna get it for me, you know, as a Christmas present. So yeah, I'm really in love with this bag. And a funny story, so at work, one of my co-workers saw me with this purse, loved it, and she went and bought the purse also. I was like, girl, I know that's right. We should have took a picture. Like, I'm so happy that she got this purse too. Like, it's cute. Like, who wouldn't want this purse? Like, but that's it for this unboxing, you all. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video so much. If you really want to see some more, you know, designer items, please let me know. Thank you so much for you guys for watching. Please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. This is your girl Taylor, and I'll see you later. Bye.